Dr. R. Hemavati is an assistant professor in mathematics in Queen Mary's, Chennai. She has specialized on functional analysis. Having 12 years of experience in teaching, she has won various awards for her performance. She has published papers in 14 international journals, 3 national journals, and has presented papers in 10 international and in 5 national conferences. She is also one of the editors for an international journal.
Welcome to UGC lecture series. After discussing about solving equations, algebraic and transcendental equations, linear system of equations, numerical differentiation and numerical integration, next in line we are going to discuss numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. In this episode, we are going to discuss about Gaussian quadrature formula. We will be working out some examples in that. Also, numerical solutions of first order differential equations will be discussed through Euler's, modified Euler's, Runge-Kutta method with suitable examples, and numerical solutions of second order differential equations by finite difference scheme will be discussed. Gaussian 2-point formula and 3-point formula was discussed in the previous episode, and we will work out an example in this episode. That is, evaluate integral -1 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus x square, 2 points. In the sense, we have to work out this problem using Gaussian 2-point formula. Gaussian 2-point formula is given by integral -1 to 1 f of x dx is equal to f of -1 by root 3 plus f of plus 1 by root 3, right? So, you in the place of f of x you are having 1 by 1 plus x square. So, f of -1 by root 3 will be 1 divided by 1 plus -1 by root 3 whole square plus f of 1 by 1 plus root 3 whole square. After simplifying this and adding, the value comes to be equal to 1.5. Next problem, we have to find out integral 0 to 3 x square cos x dx by Gaussian 3-point formula. Here the interval is not in the range of -1 to 1, which is the standard interval format for Gaussian quadrature formulae. We are given the general quadrature formula, therefore we will change the limit to -1 to 1 using the standard formula x is equal to b minus a by 2 into z plus b plus a by 2 into z. Here a is equal to 0, b is equal to 3, and when you substitute the values, x is equal to 3z plus 3 divided by 2, and dx is equal to 3 dz by 2, and if x is equal to 0, z is equal to -1, if x is equal to 3, z is equal to +1. So, now the given question in terms of x will be changed to z like this. 0 to 3 x square cos dx is changed to -1 to 1 in this format. Dx is 3 by 2 and the limits are z is equal to -1 to z is equal to +1. X square is 3z plus 3 divided by 2 whole square cos of 3z plus 3 by 2 dz. Now, your f of z is after taking this 3 outside and 2 outside comes outside 9 by 4, already 3 by 2 is outside. So, 27 by 8 z plus 1 whole square cos of 3 into z plus 1 divided by 2. This is our f of z. So, now we have f of z is 27 by 8 z plus 1 whole square cos of 3 into z plus 1 by 2. According to our problem, we have converted the given question for evaluating the integration by Gaussian 3-point formula. Further, it can be evaluated by Gaussian 3-point formula. Gaussian 3-point formula is given by integral -1 to 1 f of x dx is equal to 5 by 9 f of minus root of 3 by 5 plus f of root of 3 by 5 plus 8 by 9 into f of 0. Okay. F of minus root of 3 by 5 is calculated and f of plus root of 3 by 5 is calculated, that is added and multiplied with 5 by 9, and f of 0 is calculated and then that is multiplied with 8 by 9 and we will get the answer. Next, solution of ordinary differential equations. two types of ODE, ordinary differential equations, will be shortly called as ODE. Two types of ODE will be dealt, that is first order ODE and second order ODE. First order ordinary differential equations will be solved numerically using Euler's method, modified Euler's method and RK method of second order. And the numerical solution of second order ODE will be discussed with the finite difference scheme. So, first of all, first order ODEs, solution of initial value problems. First method, Euler's method. To solve ODE of the form dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y, we consider yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus k1, where k1 is equal to h times f of xn comma yn. So, this is the Euler's method formula. Yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus k1, where k1 is h times f of xn comma yn. Modified Euler's method says yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus k2, where k2 is h times f of xn plus h by 2 comma yn plus k1 by 2, where k1 is given by h into f of xn comma yn. Okay, we will do this example. Using Euler's method, solve numerically the equation dy by dx, y dash is dy by dx is equal to x plus y, given the initial condition. That is why it is called initial value problem. Y of 0 is equal to 1. Y of 0 is equal to 1 in the sense the y value at x is equal to 0 is 1. For you have to solve this and find out the y values corresponding to x is equal to 0 to 1, that is at the interval of 0.2. That is, we have to find out y at x is equal to 0.2, y at x is equal to 0.4, y at x is equal to 0.6, y at x is equal to 0.8 and y at x is equal to 1. Okay. So, the solution goes like given x naught is equal to 0, y naught is 1. So, the inner value is x naught and outer value is 1. So, x naught is 0, y naught is 1 and the difference is given to be equal to 0.2. To find y at x is equal to 0, y naught is y of 0 is equal to 0 and we have to find out y at x is equal to 0.2. This is the next value of x, because h is 0.2 equally spaced and y1 is y of 0.2. Next we have to find out y at x is equal to 0.4, that is y of 0.4. Likewise, we have to find out these 5 values. Okay. After finding each and every values, we will come and substitute here. This is the final tabular column. Each and every values are substituted. X values are written here 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.81 and y value, the first one is 1, y naught value, and y1, y2, y3 will be calculated and come and substituted here. Okay. Euler's method formula is yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus k1, where k1 is h into f of xn comma yn. Put n is equal to 0. Put n is equal to 0, y1 is equal to y naught plus k1, where k1 is h into f of x naught comma y naught. F of x comma y is x plus y and you have y dash is equal to x plus y. Therefore, y1 is equal to y naught. Y naught is 1, 1 plus k1, k1 is h into f of 0 comma 1, x naught is 0 and y naught is 1 and this is equal to 0.2 into 0 plus 1, which is equal to 0.2. So, k1 is 0.2 and y1 is 1 plus k1. Substitute this k1 value, 1 plus 0.2 is equal to 1.2. So, this 1.2 is substituted here against x1 value. So, 1.2 we have calculated and we are filling up the tabular column. Next, put n is equal to 1 in Euler's formula. We get y2 is equal to y1 plus k1, where k1 is h into f of x1 comma y1. x1 you just see in the tabular column, x1 is 0.2 and y1 is 1.2. This is k1 and this is y2. So, k1 is h into f of x1 comma y1, that is x plus y. So, 0.2 plus 1.2, k1 is 0.28. This is substituted in y2. So, 1.2 plus 0.28, y2 is equal to 1.48. That is again substituted in the tabular column, 1.48. Likewise, y3 is calculated as y2 plus k1, k1 is h into, every time k1 has to be calculated and come and substituted. Okay. So, h into f of x2 comma y2, x2 is 1.4 and y2 is just calculated, x2 is 0.4 and y2 is 1.48. So, 0.2 into this is k2 and this is y3. Okay. So, k2 is 0.376 and it is substituted here and we get y3 as 1.856. Go and substitute again the tabular column and find out y4. So, put n is equal to 3. So, y4 is equal to y3 plus k1. The answer is 2.3472. So, k1 is 0.4912 and y3 is 1.856. So, 1.856 plus 0.4912 is 2.3472. Likewise, we will calculate y5. y5 is 2.9766. All the values are tabulated in the tabular column, 2.9766. Okay. Hence, we have calculated y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 values. Rounded off values are the calculated values. As and when it is found out, they are filled in the tabular column for further calculations. Next, we will solve dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y and calculate the solution at x is equal to 0.1, x is equal to 0.2 and x is equal to 0.3 given y of 0 is equal to 0 by using modified Euler's method. Also, we have to compare the results with exact solution. And again the values are calculated and come and substituted. Initially, we are having x naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 0. Dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y, therefore, f of x comma y is 1 minus y and modified Euler's method formula is yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus k2 where k2 is h into f of xn plus h by 2 comma yn plus k1 by 2. We have to calculate k1 is equal to h into f of xn comma yn. Okay. So, first we will find out k1 and then we will find out k2. To find y of 0.1, we have h is equal to 0.1. So, y1 is equal to y naught plus k2 where k2 is h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k1 by 2. X naught y naught both are 0 and we have to calculate first k2. Before that we have to calculate k1. So, h is 0.1, f of x naught is 0, h is 0.1, 0.1 by 2, 0 plus k1 by 2. Again where k1 is equal to h into f of x naught comma y naught, h is 0.1, x naught is 0, y naught is 0 and we are having f of x comma y is 1 minus y, therefore, this is 1 minus 0.1 into 1 minus 0 is 0.1. So, k1 is 0.1 and again it is substituted there in k2. So, 0.1 into f of 0.05 comma k1 by 2, k1 is 0.1 by 2. So, f of 0.05 comma 0.05, 1 minus y, y is 1 minus 0.05. So, the answer is 0.095 k2, k2 is 0.095. So, y1 is equal to y naught plus k2, k2 is 0.095. So, 0 plus 0.095. So, y1 is equal to 0.095. Hence, we have found out y1 is equal to, that is y of 0.1 is equal to 0.095. Likewise, we can calculate y2, y3. Next, RK method of second order is similar to modified Euler's method. You can see k1 is h into f of xn comma yn and k2 is h into f of xn plus h by 2, wherein we had in modified Euler's method formula the same thing, h into f of xn plus h by 2 comma yn plus k1 by 2. So, we separately find out k1 and k2, the same formula of k1 and k2 used in modified Euler's method, and then del yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus del y, where del y is equal to (1/2) k1 plus k2. Okay, this is the RK method formula, RK formula for second order. Okay, we have to find out K1 and K2 and we have to find out del y. That del y is added here with yn. We will work out this example. Given dy by dx is equal to y minus x, where y of 0 is equal to 2, given y of 0.1, find y of 0.1 and y of 0.2 corrected to 4 decimal places using RK method of second order formula. With h is equal to 0.1, we find k1 is equal to 0.2, k2 is equal to 0.21. This is here we start the solution with h is equal to 0.1. What is k1 formula? K1 formula is h into f of xn comma yn, and k2 formula is h into f of xn plus h by 2 comma yn plus k1 by 2. And after you find out k1 and k2, yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus del y, where this del y is equal to 1 by 2 k1 plus k2. Okay, so this is what is RK methods formula. Put n is equal to 0, so k1 becomes h into f of x naught comma y naught. Given y of 0 is equal to 2. Given from this we have x naught is equal to 0, y naught is equal to 2, and from given dy by dx is equal to y minus x, we have f of x comma y is equal to y minus x. So, f of x naught comma y naught is y naught minus x naught, which is equal to 2 minus 0 with h is equal to 0.1. We are finding out y of 0.1. Therefore, h is equal to 0.1 into f of x naught comma y naught is 2. So, k1 is equal to 0.2. Similarly, we can find out k2. K2 is 0.1 into f of x naught plus h by 2. 0.1 by 2, x naught is 0, comma y naught is 2 plus k1 is 0.2 by 2. What is our k2 value? K2 value is 0.21. Therefore, y1 is equal to y naught plus del y, where del y is equal to 1 by 2 k1 plus k2. K1 is 0.2 and k2 is 0.21. We have 0.41 divided by 2 is equal to 0.2050. Therefore, y of 0.1 is equal to y1 is equal to 2 plus 0.2050. So, y of 0.1 is equal to 2.2050. Okay. Similarly, we can find out y2. y2 is equal to y of 0.2. Here we note that x1 is equal to 0.1 and y1 is equal to 2.2050. So, k1 is equal to 0.1 into 2.105. So, 0.2105 and k2 is equal to 0.1 into 2.4155 minus 0.2, which is 0.22155. So, it follows that y2 is equal to 2.2050 plus 1 by 2 into k1 is 0.2105 plus 0.22155, and y2 value comes to be equal to 2.4210, that is y of 0.2. After discussing about solving first order ODE by Euler's method, modified Euler's method and RK method of second order, in line we will solve second order ordinary differential equations, that is solution of 2-point boundary value problems, finite difference scheme for solving second order differential equations. The scheme is yi dash is equal to yi plus 1 minus yi divided by h. If the spacing is with the h, if the spacing is 2h, then yi dash is equal to yi plus 1 minus yi minus 1 divided by 2h, and yi double dash, that is second derivative, second derivative of y at x equal to xi is given by yi minus 1 minus 2 yi plus yi plus 1 divided by h square. We will solve this problem. Using finite difference method, solve d square y by dx square is equal to y in the interval 0, 2. Given the 2 point boundary values, the 2 point boundary values are y value at first boundary x equal to 0 is 0 and the second boundary value is y value at x is equal to 2 is 3.63. Okay. The solution starts here, subdividing the range of x, that is 0, 2 into 4 equal parts. H is equal to b minus a divided by n, and b is 2, so 2 minus 0 divided by 4. We are going to divide it by 4, therefore h is equal to 0.5. When h is equal to 0.5, we have x values as 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, and y values, initial values are given. This is given and this is given, and these 4 values are we are finding out 0.5257. After finding out these values, we will come and substitute here. Given d square y by dx square is equal to y, that is y double dash is equal to y. So, therefore, yi double dash is equal to yi including the suffix I. According to the formula, yi double dash is yi minus 1 minus 2 yi plus 1 by h square is equal to yi. Cross multiplying and clubbing it, we have yi minus 1 minus 2 plus h square into yi plus 1 is equal to 0. So, the finite difference scheme for ODE here is put I is equal to 1 and h is equal to 0.5. So, when you put I is equal to 1, we get 1 minus 1 y naught and h is 0.5. So, 2 plus 0.5 whole square y1 plus y2 is equal to 0, and y naught from the problem is 0 and y1 and y2 are unknown. You can see the tabular column. This is x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, and this is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. This y1, y2, y3 are unknown. We are finding and then we are coming and filling at here. 0.5257 is the value which you are going to find out. After finding, we have to come and substitute here for further calculations. Okay. So, y1, y2, y3 are unknown at present. So, y1 and y2 are kept as it is and we get an equation in terms of y1 and y2. Next, put I is equal to 2 in equation 1, we get the scheme as y1 as minus 2, y1 minus 2 plus h is again 0.5 whole square, y2 plus y3 is equal to 0. All the 3 unknowns are just kept as it is, and again case 3, put I is equal to 3 in equation 1, we get y2 minus again 2 plus h square into y3 plus y4. Here y4 is known, that is 3.63 is equal to 0, and we have the 3 equations together. The second equation is by substituting I is equal to 1. So, the 3 equations are solved to find y1, y2, y3. Okay. So, first from the first equation we can find out y1 as a minus y2 divided by minus 2.25, isn't it? So, y1 in terms of y2 is 0.444 y2, that can be substituted here and in 3 and 4, and we ultimately get the equation in terms of y2. So, y3 also is brought in terms of y2 and then everything is substituted in 3, that is there are 3 unknown variables, that is y1, y2, y3. What we are doing is we are bringing y1 in the format of y2 and also we are bringing y3 in the format of y2. So, that when you substitute for y1 and y3, purely the equation will be in terms of y2, so that we can solve for y2 and get the answer for y2. That y2 will be substituted in y1 and we get y1 answer, and y2 value is again substituted in y3, we get y3 answer. That is what is done here. We get y2 as 1.184 and then it is substituted in y1 equation we have obtained, and we get y1 is equal to 0.5257 and y2 is again substituted in y3 equation, we get y3 is equal to 2.1387. In this session, we worked out some examples in Gaussian 2-point and 3-point quadrature formulae. Next, we stepped into discussing about solving ordinary differential equations. Numerical solution of first order differential equations was discussed with the various formulae like Euler's formula, modified Euler's formula, RK method formula for of second order. Each problem was discussed with the respective example. Also, numerical solution of second order differential equation by finite difference scheme was discussed with an example. Based on the discussion in this session, the following question may be posed. Solve by Euler's method y dash is equal to minus y given y of 0 is equal to 1 and find y of 0.04, that is h is equal to 0.04 if you take, then we can solve it by Euler's method. Apply second order RK method to find an approximate value of y when x is equal to 0.2 given that y dash is equal to x plus y, y of 0 is equal to 1. Using finite difference method, solve y double dash minus 64y minus 10 is equal to 0 where x is in the range of 0 to 1 and given y of 0 is equal to y of 1 is equal to 0. By subdividing the range into 4 equal parts, first subdivision, and then by subdividing the range into 2 equal parts. Thank you.